Hey, what's up everybody? It's Amaya. So today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing for May 2019. So I have not filmed a Boxycharm unboxing in quite a long time, and as you guys know, the reason for that is because I have not been on YouTube for a long time. But I'm really excited to get back to filming these because you guys know that these are one of my favorite videos to film because I love Boxycharm so much. It's my favorite subscription box that I receive, and if you guys don't know anything about Boxycharm, I'm sure you've heard, but if you haven't, this is what their boxes look like. It's $21 a month and you get 4 to 5 like full size or deluxe sample size products. They are so awesome. It is probably like the best value in a subscription box. Everything totals always like $100 or more for $21 a month, which I don't know, that just seems like a great deal to me. Typically you're stuck with like the little tiny samples. No, this is like the real deal. So I find that this is the best bang for your buck, and the products in here are usually really well, you know, selected and curated and everything like that. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Also, what do you guys think of the hair? I decided to do a color back to my natural color. I have a semi-permanent color in my hair right now, but I'm going to go permanent. I'm going to go a little bit darker because my natural hair is a little bit darker, but we're kind of throwing it back to like 2015, 2014 Amaya hair color with like the really dark before any of the highlights happened. And honestly, I'm loving it. I really missed my dark hair and I didn't realize it. I've had highlights for like 3 years now, which is insane. And so seeing my hair almost all one color is a little bit crazy to me, but I really like it. So let me know what you guys think. Do you like it? I like it. I'm happy with it. Anyways, enough chatting. Be sure to check out my Instagram and Twitter. They are right over here. All my other social medias will be in the description box below, so check them out if you wanna. If not, no pressure whatsoever. But check them out if you'd like, and let's hop right in. Okay, so I also really apologize if you guys can like hear like a noise in the background. It's my washing machine that is below me. It shouldn't be going on forever. It should stop eventually, but if you do hear it, I apologize. So this is what the box looks like. It's actually skinnier than normal, which I kind of like. I feel like they're kind of cutting down on the amount of space that they have for the box. This is what the inside looks like, and the card says that the theme is Make Waves, which I think is super cute. The first product I see in here is this Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. I love the packaging for this. It is so cool. Oh my god. It looks like an oil slick. This says that it retails for $28, and it's a gentle daily conditioning gel cleanser that effectively cleanses skin and dissolves makeup. So it has amino acids and a vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, and green tea extract. And it's supposed to deep clean, remove impurities, soap, and fragrance free. That's awesome. So I obviously can't try this out today because I'm putting makeup on, not taking it off. But I'm really excited to test it out. It seems really nice. I've never heard anything about this, but Glam Glow is of course known for their skincare and they're very popular. So haven't tried too much from them, but I'm excited to see how this works. Then we have 4 other things in here that we are going to be testing out, which I'm excited for. So the first thing is this Ciate London Eye Luster Cream Shadow. So this says that it retails for $22, and it's supposed to create a long-lasting shimmering eyeshadow look. It says it can be swiped for full coverage luster or blended out for sheer sparkle or applied over any eyeshadow as a topper. I have been so into liquid eyeshadows, as you guys know. I think that they are so easy to use. I've turned like everyone in my life onto liquid eyeshadows. My sister's just recently got into makeup, and I had both of them buy liquid eyeshadows because they're just so easy. But this is what this one looks like. This looks so beautiful. This is in the shade, does it say? It's in the shade Cupid, and it looks like it's like a purple with like a green gold shift. It has a wand applicator. You guys, what? It is purple and then it's gold, and then it's purple and then it's gold. Do you guys see that? That's so freaking cool. What? Do you guys see that? Purple, gold. Purple, gold, purple, gold. Oh my god, okay, I gotta stop. Yeah, we are going to apply this on the eyes right now. Let me zoom you guys in. Okay, so now that we are zoomed in, I'm going to go ahead and just pop this on the lids. I believe this is what I'm supposed to do. And then I'm just going to blend this out with my finger. Okay, that definitely looks more like gold on the eyes. You don't get as much of the shift, but maybe if I layered it up, that would happen. So let's try to do the other side, let this side dry, and then we'll layer it up. Okay, so this is what both sides look like. Blend it out for the most part, and it is drying nicely. Doesn't feel sticky or tacky or anything like that. Let's try going in with a second layer. So that's definitely more pigmented. I feel like it's breaking up slightly. I can't tell if it's breaking up or if that's just the reflect. I'm kind of confused. This kind of got out of hand just slightly. Let me get a blending brush. It's actually blending out nicely when I'm blending it with a brush. It's not like flaking off or looking weird. It's actually working very nicely, which is good. Oh wow, it's actually working really, really nicely. And honestly, I don't hate how this looks. I think it looks really pretty. It also dried down really nicely on my hand too. When I go like this, it's only flaking a little bit. It's not going like too crazy, which is nice. And yeah, it blended out really nicely with the brushes as well, which I was surprised. A lot of times liquid eyeshadows don't like brushes. They get very angry. But this one actually looks really nice. So I think I'm just gonna leave it like this for right now, and I might cover it up with a powder shadow just to set it. Afterwards we'll see how it goes though while I finish the rest of my makeup. Okay, so far so good with that. I do have another eye product. This is the Bodyography Emerald Eye Pencil, and this says that it retails for $14, and it's a vegan, cruelty-free Bodyography eye pencil that's antioxidant rich, infused with coconut oil and vitamin E. Wait a minute. Lip pencil? Okay, I see what happened. We have a typo. So this right here is the description for the lip pencil. You must have been able to get a lip pencil too, but I got the eye pencil. So I was like looking at it, I was like, long-lasting lip pencil? This is not correct. Makes sense. Just a little whoopsie. But this is what it looks like. To me, that's definitely more of a blue, not really an emerald. But go off. All right, let me see what this looks like. I'm gonna just put this in my waterline. That's not really showing up. Oh, we got a little something there. Okay, so it's a little bit hard to put on the eyes, and I'm finding that my eyes are getting a little bit irritated and mad at me for trying to do this. But it's actually looking quite pretty, I think. It seems as though it would smudge nicely too, as I'm just kind of rubbing it on my hand right there. Don't mind my self-tan hands. But yeah. It looks kind of pretty. I find that Boxycharm's eyeliners that they include aren't always the best quality. This one is definitely one of the better quality ones, for sure. I've gotten some pretty bad ones. This one's pretty good. Okay, so next we have something that I am super excited to just go into. This is the Automata Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio. It's in the shade Fair Light. They have like a dark one, I think. This is what it looks like. You get 3 blushes. They're called Castaway, Paraiso, and Scorcher, which I think is really, really pretty. This one's kind of like a shimmery orange. This is kind of like a pinkish color, and this one looks very, very similar to the first one. Is it just me, or do these look almost identical? I'm not really sure. Let's swatch them and find out. And I guess swatch, they do look different. These two do look different. This one's definitely a bit more like darker, and this one's definitely more like yellowy. I like the colors that they selected. I feel like this is a very interesting type of trio. This is not typically what you see for a Fair Light blush trio. And I don't have these color blushes really in my collection, maybe aside from the middle one. So I feel like I could get some really unique looks out of here. This says that it retails for $22, and it says that this is formulated to glide effortlessly over your cheeks with buttery smooth, highly pigmented, and completely vegan formula. Supposed to deliver a sun-kissed flush without the damage of the rays, which I think is super cute. So I have my Luxie 514 blush brush right here. This is my favorite blush brush at the moment. And I feel like with today's look, I could honestly use any, but I feel like the pink one is gonna match best. So let's just hop into there. Tap it off. I already have highlighter and bronzer on. You guys know that I like to apply my blush after my highlighter on normal days. So that's what we're just going to do today. I also like this palette has a mirror. That's very nice. Always appreciated. Oh, wow. That is blending so nicely. Do you guys see that? Dab a little bit on the nose. But this is blending so nicely. I don't feel like it's chalky or overly matte, but it's definitely not shimmery either, so you guys don't have to be worried. The other two do definitely have a little bit of a sheen to it, but this middle one is matte for the most part. And I feel like I can layer this and it's not looking weird or anything like that. I really like this. I'm just going to dip into the other two really quick just to kind of put as like a topper because I kind of want to just try them out. Ooh! Okay, I am loving this blush. At first I was a little bit concerned because blush formulas I feel like are pretty similar. I mean, you have some bad ones, but for the most part the good ones are kind of the same. But I honestly think that this is gorgeous and definitely unique, which I love. Okay, so we have one more thing to try on. I'm just gonna go pop on some mascara, set my face, and we will be back. Okay, so we are back with a nice set face and some mascara. I also popped on a little bit of my ColourPop eyeshadow in Ladybird on my eyes, which is really just like a pure glitter shadow, just to have a little bit of something on top of the liquid shadow, just in case it started to crease, to have a little bit of insurance and just to add a little extra sparkle. I thought it would be fun, but I don't feel like it changed the color too much or anything like that. I think it looks pretty good. So we are on to our last product, and this is the Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick in Pinky Promise. I have never tried out a Dose of Colors liquid lipstick, but I have wanted to for so long. So this says that it retails for $18, and it says that it has a velvety high fashion matte which envelops lips in rich long wearing color. It applies as a creamy liquid, but after a few minutes it dries to an ultra comfortable matte finish. So I was debating at first if I wanted to try this out or not, or give it away to somebody, because I don't wear hot pink lipsticks and I wanted to try a Dose of Colors lipstick, but just maybe not a hot pink one. But I thought, you know, I literally don't have any hot pink, like hot pink liquid lipsticks in my collection, and it might be fun to have one. It doesn't really go with my look today. I mean, I guess it kind of could. Not my shirt. This will be an interesting combination, but we shall see. Yeah, full send. Okay, so this is pink. This is quite the pink lipstick. It is bright. It's gonna make a statement. I have some on my teeth. Okay, so I'm not saying that I would wear this with this eye look, but I am saying that I might actually wear this. Do we like it? I feel like it looks kind of cool. Maybe with like a nice like neutral eye, something not quite like this. I think it might be kind of fun. And it feels very comfortable on the lips, like extremely comfortable. Now I know why these are so popular, because hello, it feels so nice. And I have like a layer and a half. I didn't do quite 2 layers, but it's also a little bit more than 1 layer, so like 1.5 layers. And I feel like it's pretty true to color and not sticky, drying down very nicely. What do we think about pink? Okay, so that is it for this box, you guys. Now for my favorite part, our grand total, which is $104 this month. I think that is so awesome. We got 5 full-size products for $21, and it cost $104, like the box in total, which I think is insane, really awesome. And honestly, I like every single product that I got, except for maybe the eyeliner. It's not bad, but I don't foresee it wearing very well. This one I'm so on, but liquid lipstick looks really pretty. Blush palette I love. I think my blush looks beautiful and I'm really excited to use it this summer. Eyeshadow, super pretty. Definitely want to experiment with this more, maybe as an eyeshadow topper as opposed to just by itself. Of course, the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble I have not tried out yet, but I am very excited to do so. So yes, that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys like it. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. If you liked this video, if you liked any of these products, or maybe, you know, have any opinions on them, let me know. Let me know what you think of this look. I know it's cute. But yeah, I will see you in my next one. Bye. It's delicious.